Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. The additional, not in today's newspaper of Monday, March the 27th, 2023. No, it's the additional of the Saturday edition. Saturday, March the 4th, 2023. In this puzzle page, I've already solved one puzzle. The Sudoku with 3 stars. 6181. We have one puzzle in this puzzle page left, and later on I will do the additional of the Saturday edition. Yeah, the binary. It's time for binary. Binary time, and this will be number 6182. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. 25. Yeah, 25. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 O's. I think the fifth one should be here in the middle. Here we have 2 1s. Here also 2 1s. Otherwise, if I place the O there, then we have 3 O's, 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So here, this should be the fifth one, exactly in the middle of those 2 O's. So the rest are 1s. Here 1, there 1, here 1, there 1, and this one. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. This is also no. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes... Oh, wait. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Alright. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. We have here 4 1s. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. This can be 1, this should be no. We have a double O here. So here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Let me think. Think. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. There should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I need to compare now. Yeah. Question is the columns or the rows. Right, we have a 10 here. Do we have a 10 here? We have a 10. 1. Oh, this is different. We have a 10 here. Here we have a 10. 1, 0. Yeah. This row and second row. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, completed in 7 minutes. 7:50. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles in additional of the Saturday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.